Today I'm going to do a review on this Evercraft power steering pump alternator pulley puller. I used it about 15 minutes ago. It's from Napa. It is part number 776-9251. Drop forged heat treated steel construction, removes pulley on Chrysler, Ford, GM, and Volkswagen. Fits pulleys with hub diameters of 1 1/8 of an inch, 1 1/4 of an inch, 1 5/16 of an inch, and 1 3/8 of an inch. Split collet designed for improved grip and damage removal. So, if you take it apart, take it out of the box, it's got this collar right here. It has the two jaw pieces right here, and it has the threaded shaft, the bolt for hammering, if I can ever get it out. There it goes. And it has the nut and the collar. So, it took about, I'd say, for my F350 Super Duty 2005 1-ton axle system, it took me about 15 minutes to get it to come off for the power steering pump. It works pretty well. For the price, it was only $26, and I had a $5 off coupon from the Napa rewards plan that I spend over $100 and you get $5 off, and I get probably $5 off probably every like week or two. Sometimes I spend $2 to $4 grand. So this is just an example of the tool, and walk over here and I grab the pulley. Here's the pulley that I have removed, and I'll give you an example of how it works. So, basically you put it on like real quick. Put it on like this. Put the jaws over. Like that. There it goes. Put the collar over it. So it looks like that. The collar holds that still as you're tightening with your impact wrench or your impact gun, or you can do it by hand if you like, but it took me 15 minutes with a 500 foot-pound impactor. And what it does is it basically, you can see it, it basically pushes against the power steering pump and it pulls the puller off. So, If there's any questions, if anybody has any ideas on maybe some kits that they would like to share on the channel, you're more than welcome to share. And the next time I have something to take apart, I will definitely upload some more videos soon. Again, my name's Antonio, and you have a great rest of your day.